Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today we are going to be looking at some happy mail that I received from V from Steals the Show, Crochet and More. I won one of her giveaways, and I know what I got, but I know you guys haven't seen it yet, so let's go ahead and take a look. Here it is. I'm so excited to open it. V does a lot of sewing and stuff like that. So I was really excited to receive one of her items because I don't sew. So this really is going to help me out. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. She's got it all wrapped up in this cute little llama paper. And then we've got this little tissue. And it says thank you on it with a cute little bird. And let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, this is so adorable. Oh boy, she included a bunch of stuff. She included some other cute stuff. Look at these little llama stickers and a little cactus. And then she also enclosed one of these beautiful little keychains that matches the bag. Let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, this is so pretty. How cute. And then here is the beautiful bag that she made. And she sewed the bag. This is great for projects. And then she crocheted this beautiful top onto it. And then there's like little beads where you can cinch it closed. Oh, this is so cute, V. Thank you so much. I'm so excited that I won this. And there's like little avocados and pretzels, cactus, rainbow pizza, sunglasses, donuts, bananas, diamonds, I mean, anything you can think of. This is so bright and colorful, very cheery. I love it so much. Thank you so much. And then she also enclosed this cute little stitch marker that she made. Look at that. And the beautiful tag. I love it so much. I really appreciate you sending me these beautiful gifts, V. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all liked it as well. And if you haven't checked out V's channel, make sure you do so. I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. I hope to see you soon. I go live every Tuesday and Friday at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time, and I hope to see you there. Bye. Have a great day, everybody.